Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on maintaining your HP 15DK laptop. Proper maintenance is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. Let's dive into the essential tools and steps you'll need to perform a thorough maintenance check. Tools required *. 1. Phillips head screwdriver *. This is essential for removing screws from the back cover. 2. Plastic prying tool * useful for safely opening the laptop without damaging the casing. 3. Compressed air can * 4. Blowing dust out of the internal components. 4. Microfiber cloth * ideal for cleaning the screen and exterior without scratching. Step 1. Power off and prepare. Before starting, ensure that your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove any connected devices such as USB drives or external monitors. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical issues. Step 2. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws on the back panel of the HP 15DK. Keep track of the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are out, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the cover, starting from one corner to avoid cracking the plastic. Step 3. Inspect internal components. Once the back cover is removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any loose connections or components that may need to be reseated. If you notice dust buildup around the fans or on the motherboard, it's time for a cleaning. Step 4. Cleaning the internals. Using the compressed air can carefully blow out any dust accumulated on the fans and heat sinks. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any moisture from escaping. This process helps prevent overheating and keeps your laptop running smoothly. If you feel uncomfortable doing this or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for maintenance services. Step 5. Reassemble the laptop. Once cleaned, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Then, reinsert and tighten all the screws securely to ensure everything is held firmly. This step is vital to prevent any rattling or movement inside the laptop during use. Step 6. Final checks. After reassembly, plug in your laptop and power it on. Check for any unusual sounds, especially from the fans. If everything sounds normal, you have successfully maintained your HP 15DK. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 7. Maintenance recap. Routine maintenance not only enhances performance but extends the lifespan of your laptop. It's recommended to perform this cleaning every 6 to 12 months depending on your usage. Also, always get a quote before repair for any significant issues you might encounter. No calls, no travel, we're here to help with convenient services at your doorstep. By following these steps, you can ensure that your HP 15DK laptop remains in optimal condition for years to come. Happy maintenance! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.